Returning to Hungdo's countryside has proven to be the best decision I've ever made.
I'm Xiaxue. After graduating from Boston University in the U.S., I worked in Hong Kong as a financial reporter. By a stroke of chance, I found myself back in the countryside of Hangzhou. Here, I create English educational videos and capture the essence of rural life, sharing a different lifestyle with a wider audience. Some friends find it hard to understand why I would leave an alluring job to come to a rural area that doesn't look like it can fulfill my ambitions.
The answer is the opposite.
It was only when I started living in rural Hangzhou that I really understood what life is all about. I love walking my dog on the country roads, taking in the beautiful scenery. It's a joy to stay connected to the world with fast-speed internet and to drive just 10 minutes to the local market for fresh produce and seafood. Some of my city-dwelling followers and those in nearby countries heard about my country life. They were surprised at how amazing it is here and wished they could live here too. I also enjoy listening to stories in the rural communities. I've documented the stories of veterans who fought in the Korean War, the village secretary who personally founded road repairs, kiwi fruit growers, and talented local artists. Their stories are worth telling. Also, I've created English learning videos reaching out to the younger generation across rural and urban China, empowering them to become confident speakers and lifelong learners. So here, I have found my purpose. I'm not just a dweller, but a contributor, sharing my knowledge with those who need it most. Hangzhou's countryside appeals to people like me who value a high-quality lifestyle, offering not only convenience, but also a healthy and comfortable living environment. I believe the countryside here will open up new possibilities for a lot of urban youth.